Welcome back! In this video, we're going to show you how to install a horizontal cable tensioning system for polypropylene and metal deer fence. For fences 7 feet and above, we recommend using a 3 cable support system. Before you begin installing your cables, you will need to have all of your posts, brace pipes, and gates installed. To make unwinding the cable easier, Rob is setting up a little DIY system to hold the reel in place while spinning out the cable. He is hammering a piece of rebar into the ground and using a piece of scrap pipe to hold the reel. He's using a zip tie to secure the pipe to the rebar, and the other side of the pipe is resting on the eye bolt. We're now ready to start running some cable. We're going to start with our top cable. For this, we're going to use an 8-gauge nylon cable. And we're also going to use a large gripple to terminate the cable. The cable can be run out in stretches up to 200 feet. The top cable fits through the hole in the top of each post cap. A strong top cable is essential to keep deer fence from sliding down the post. The top cable is also important in the overall strength of the fence. It helps prevent the fence from bending or breaking if a tree limb should fall onto the fence. Once the cable is run out, it is secured using a gripple. Rob's now going back to the starting point to cut the cable. He's going to leave a little bit extra, so he has some extra to work with to terminate and thread through the gripple. Now that both ends are secure, the cable can be tightened using a pair of pliers. Next, we're going to run our bottom cable. For this, we use an 8-gauge steel core nylon coated cable, and again, a large gripple is used for the termination points. The bottom cable threads through the eye bolts that are attached to the reverse sleeve. The eye bolts should be in the vertical position. For line posts, the eye bolts are facing out towards the deer. For corner posts, the eye bolts should be facing in. For end and gate posts, the eye bolts should be on the outside to allow the cable to feed through the eye bolt. The cable is then wrapped around the post and secured using a gripple. The position of the eye bolts is the same for the bottom and middle cable. You will want to leave enough space between the post and the gripple to give yourself room to tighten the cable. Next, we're going to install the middle cable. We're using a thinner 11-gauge nylon cable. It will be secured at the termination points with a medium gripple. If you are installing our poly top metal bottom system, you will want to install your bottom metal fence before running your middle cable. If you are installing a full poly or full metal fence, the cables can be installed in any order. To thread the cable through the gripple, look closely on the back of the gripple, and there are two arrows pointing in to show the threading direction. Once the middle cable is tightened, the system is ready for poly or metal fence to be installed. Thanks for watching. Please check out more of our how-to videos on YouTube or at BennerDeerFence.com.